There is nothing magical than watching your food grow along with your kids. Hello everyone. As you all know that we are fighting against COVID-19. In such situation, social distancing is one of the best precaution we can take. But it is quite challenging to keep our kids engaged. In such situation, they can't go outside to play. So gardening can be one of the best option to keep our kids engaged. Gardens can be a great place to cultivate a meaningful and fun learning experience for children, and you know it's a natural match. Gardening can offer children an opportunity to learn about life cycle, taking responsibility and care, and also help to create awareness of where their food comes from. In short, journey of food from farm to fork. And to start with microgreens, which are known as superfoods, which are perfect for our superheroes. Both microgreens and our kids are natural pairing. They both start small and seems to grow very fast before our eyes blink. As kids are always excited and they have less patience and they are always eager to know what is next steps, and growing microgreens is like growing their own food. So friends, in today's video I will be showing you how easily you can grow your microgreens with your kids, and in today's video my son is going to help me to grow microgreens. He is already so much excited that he is growing something for his family, and trust me, they will be so much happy than you think. Now let's understand what are microgreens. Microgreens are green tiny little shoots which are edible after 1 or 2 weeks from sowing, and which are highly power packed with nutrients than fully grown vegetables. Microgreens are really amazing. Not only are they tiny and cute, but they are fast growing as well. It's no wonder why kids just love them. Apart from the fact they are visually appealing as a garnish on most dishes, microgreens are also packed full of nutritional values, bursting with vitamin C and protein. Now the question comes, which are the vegetable can be grown as a microgreens? So to start with, you can start with easy varieties like fenugreek, wheatgrass, radish, mustard. These are quite easy and simple to grow microgreens. Now I will show you what are the microgreens which I am growing regularly, and from my own experience these microgreens are super easy to grow and have many nutritional values. These are sunflower microgreens. Sunflower microgreens is a perfect source of complete protein. In fact, they are considered to be the most balanced of all the sources of essential amino acids. They help to build our skeletal, muscular and neurological system. So guys, you can see my sunflower microgreens which are power packed with omega-3 fatty acid and which boost your kids' memory power. Methi or fenugreek microgreens, it contains a variety of beneficial nutrients which includes magnesium, manganese, copper, vitamin B6, and they are rich in iron, contain high quality protein and phytonutrients. And these are my radish microgreens which are extremely easy to grow. Radish microgreens not only contains vitamins A, B, C, K, they also deliver calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus and zinc. But that's not all. Radish microgreens are rich in essential amino acids and chlorophyll, which has all sort of benefits from cancer fighting properties to digestive aid. Apart from these, I usually grow mustard and wheatgrass. Mustard microgreens are super easy to grow, and it contains high level of antioxidant and high fiber and help to detoxify liver and blood. Wheatgrass is rich in vitamins and most important, selenium. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant and may have some cancer fighting abilities. And friends, nowadays microgreens are very trendy. I have seen many restaurants, they are growing their own microgreens and they are serving along with their dishes. And also there are many articles on microgreens. Take the seeds and shallow containers. I am using fruit boxes. You can use food parcel boxes or any shallow container with enough drainage holes. Fill the container with 1 inch of soil mix, 2 parts of coco peat and 1 part of the soil. Coco peat is a good medium for seed germination. Seeds sprout quickly and easily in coco peat as the moisture content is high and it is very easy for the roots to penetrate in the light medium. Sprinkle the soil mix with water lightly and check the drainage. So these are some microgreen seeds which I have ordered from Ugao, and this is Methi which is from kitchen. Seeds with a hard coating like sunflower or wheat need to pre-soak in water for 24 hours for better and fast germination. Now sprinkle the seeds densely over the soil and cover the seeds with thin layer of soil and flatten up the surface with a piece of wood and cover a box with another box. This will help microgreens to grow straight and evenly. Keep the containers in the semi-shade area, not under the direct sunlight. After 3 to 5 days, seeds will germinate. At this stage, remove the top box and continue misting the water once or twice daily. After 10 to 15 days, microgreens will be ready for harvest. When the greens have sprouted their first 1 or 2 true leaves and when they are 5 to 6 cm, harvest them. Harvest with the help of clean sharp scissor. Harvest leaves along with stem. Rinse and enjoy the flavor and beauty of your tiny veggies. You can serve microgreens along with pizza, sandwich or with salads. In addition to their nutritional value, they can add flavor, texture and color. I hope you will give it a try with your kids. Please share your experience in comment section. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, happy gardening. What you show me?
In the down.
The down. This is roots, right?
Plants part.
Okay, you know plant parts.